It's kind of hard. I don't think this one survived.
It did, for the most part.
You got it.
Can I have one? Then open it. Then open it yourself.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
You break the nut.
I know.
Wait, that's a moldy mango there.
Careful, darling. Okay, I got it. You got it? Woo! It's so
Add this
awesome.
to the culinary tour.
I know, right? I'll have to
Be the
pick.
bit he remembers.
Yeah, you will.
Hayden?
Whatever this is, I'm trying to
Hayden.
Yeah?
Turn you around over here on the grass.
I used to do this as a child.